stance with me. Let's get right into our boxer stance. I'm gonna step back with my dominant foot, rotate those hips 45 degrees, keeping my elbows in tight to both ribs, chin down into my chest, eyes up. I want you to find this lead jab. We're gonna start with the one. Nice and smooth on that jab, rotate that wrist. One, nice job. One. Give me the three, Three, lead jab to the body. Good. Three, keep working that. Three, come on. Three. Give me the four, Four. Come on, warm up those shoulders. Four. Give me the two, go, two, rear cross. Two, let's go. Two, come on, lead foot, ha. Give me 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on, show me that toughness, where you at? Ha. 1, 2, low. 1, 2, low, nice one. 1, 2, low, come on. 1, 2, low. 1, 2, low, good, add the 4. 1, 2, low, 4. 1, 2, low, 4. 1, 2, low, 4. Ha. Back to 1, 2. Ha. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ha. One more. Ha. And time. Shake it off. Come on. Keep that chin down. Work into that boxer stance. All right, we're gonna start with our lead jab, guys. We gotta find this tempo. Let's make sure those hips are rotated, keeping that chin down. Show me your one. Ha. Come on. Ha. Find your two. Give me 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good jab to the body. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3. Good. Add the high. 1, 2, 3. High. 1, 2, 3. High. Reset. 1, 2, 3. High. 1, 2, 3. High. Reset. 1, 2, 3. High. Add the low. 1, 2, 3. High, low. 1, 2, 3. High, low. 1, 2, 3. High, low. Back to 1. 1. Back to 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Come on, rotate that back foot. 1, 2. High, low. 1, 2. High, low. Reset. 1, 2. High, low. 1, 2. High, low. 1, 2. High, low. Give me that 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3. Add the high, low. 1, 2, 3. High, low. 1, 2, 3. High, low. 1, 2, 3. High, low. Reset. Ha. Back to the jab. 1. Come on, this is our strongest punch. Ha. We're going 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Reset. 1, 1, 2. Come on, I need more intensity. 1, 1, 2. Reset. 1, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2's up top. Let's go. Ha. Come on. Ha. Keep rolling those wrists. Come on, keep turning those punches over. Hey. Come on, let's go. 3 and 4's down low. Here for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And time. Come on, shake it off. Stay in that boxer stance. I want you to rock those shoulders. Rock those hips. Keep that chin down. We're going to find our lead jab again. Make sure we're stepping into that punch and we're rotating that back foot for your cross. You better keep that chin down. Hands up. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Show me the one. 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 Show me high low. High low. High low. High low. High low. Come on, move those legs. High low. High low. Keep that back hand up. Good. We're going high low 1 2. High low 1 2. High low 1 2. Good job, fighter. High low 1 2. High low 1 2. Add the 3 4. High low 1 2 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 3 4. Give me the 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Give me 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Reset. 1 2 1 2. Reset. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Add your 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Back to the high. 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 Come on, extend that arm. High. 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 We're going high, low, 3 4. High, low, 3 4. Reset. High, low, 3 4. Reset. High, low, 3 4. High, low, 3 4. Add the 1 2. High, low, 3 4 1 2. High, low, 3 4 1 2. High, low, 3 4 1 2. Ha 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 ha. Back to the jab. 1. 1. 1. Let's go 1 1 1. 1 1 1. Good. That's 3 jabs. 1 1 1. Good. Add the 2. 1 1 1 2. Good work, guys. 1 1 1 2. Come on, 2 more. 1 1 1 2. 1 1 1 2. Come on, 3 4 down low. Let's go. Here for 5 4 3 2 and time. Great work, fighters. I hope you felt accomplished. My name is G-Dub, and as always, light up your fight. I'll see you next time in the ring.